Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Office Solutions. I hope you are all familiar with the Shift key. Usually we use the Shift key to capitalize the first letter while typing on a computer, but today I will discuss 5 important uses of the Shift key. Before that, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more information in future. Let's get started. While working on a computer, we often need to select multiple files or folders. It can be inconvenient to select specific files or folder by clicking with the mouse. However, the Shift key plays an important role to selecting specific files or folders. Suppose I want to select this folder to that folder by using mouse. You can see it is very tough to select our desired folder, but using Shift key we can select it perfectly. You can see the recycle bin is empty. Now I want to delete this file. When you delete a file or a folder from a computer, it goes to the recycle bin. Then you have to delete the file again from the recycle bin. However, using the Shift key allows you to permanently delete it. If you select the file and press Shift plus delete, the file will be permanently deleted. On the keyboard, we usually see two symbols on a key, one upper symbol and one lower symbol. We can type the lower symbol without using the Shift key, but to type the upper symbol we need to use the Shift key. Such as I type 5, I press on 5. That time you can see 5, but if I press Shift plus 5, then another symbol you can see. If I press Shift plus 7, you can see another sign. If I press Shift plus 4, you can see dollar sign. I hope you understand. When caps lock is on, everything I type appears in capital letters like this. However, when I holding Shift while I caps lock is on, the letters appear in lowercase, such as on the other hand, when caps lock is off, holding down Shift makes the letter uppercase. You can see capital letter. I hope you understand. You can see there are 4 lines here. I want to select all lines. I usually press Ctrl plus A together. To shut down the computer, we press Alt plus 4. But you have to press both keys together, otherwise this will not work. By using Shift key we can fix it. You need to press the Shift key 5 times quickly from the keyboard. After doing so, a feature called stick keys will be activated. Here you can see a pop-up box here written stick keys lets you use the Shift, Ctrl, Alt or window logo keys by pressing one key at a time. The keyboard shortcut to turn on stick keys is to press the Shift key 5 times. Then press on yes. Now you can press Ctrl plus A. The all lines will be selected. I hope you understand.